Groundwater surveyors in Mehrauli play a crucial role in assessing and monitoring the availability and quality of groundwater in this region. Mehrauli, located in Delhi, is a densely populated area where the demand for water is high. Groundwater is an important source of water supply for both domestic and agricultural purposes in Mehrauli. Therefore, it is essential to have a comprehensive understanding of the groundwater resources to ensure their sustainable use. Groundwater surveyors are professionals who specialize in conducting surveys and assessments to determine the quantity, quality, and potential of groundwater resources in a specific area. They use various techniques and tools to collect data, such as drilling wells, installing monitoring wells, conducting pumping tests, and analyzing water samples. With their expertise and knowledge, they can provide valuable insights into the availability and sustainability of groundwater resources in Mehrauli. The role of groundwater surveyors in Mehrauli goes beyond just assessing the quantity of groundwater. They also play a vital role in monitoring the quality of groundwater to ensure it meets the necessary standards for human consumption and other uses. They collect water samples from different locations and analyze them for various parameters such as pH, turbidity, dissolved oxygen, and presence of contaminants like heavy metals or pesticides. This information is crucial for identifying potential sources of pollution and taking appropriate measures to protect the groundwater resources in Mehrauli. Another important aspect of the work done by groundwater surveyors in Mehrauli is designing effective strategies for the management and conservation of groundwater resources. By analyzing the data collected from surveys and assessments, they can identify areas where overextraction or contamination of groundwater is occurring. GPS surveyors in Mehrauli are professionals who specialize in using Global Positioning System (GPS) technology to accurately measure and map out various locations in the city. GPS is a satellite-based navigation system that provides real-time positioning and timing information. With the help of GPS, surveyors can determine precise coordinates, distances, and elevations of different points on the ground. Mehrauli, a historic neighborhood located in South Delhi, is known for its rich cultural heritage and ancient monuments. As the city continues to grow and develop, there is a need for accurate and reliable surveying services to ensure proper planning and construction. GPS surveyors play a crucial role in this process by providing accurate data that can be used by architects, engineers, and urban planners to design and develop projects in Mehrauli. One of the key advantages